Imagine craving a healthy snack or dessert but being short on time. No worries, we've got the perfect solution for you. A quick and easy fruit salad that's both delicious and nutritious. Fruit salad is an excellent way to enjoy the freshness, flavor, and nutritional value of various fruits. Let's dive in. First, gather your ingredients. Strawberries, blueberries, kiwi, mango, grapes, a cutting board, knife, and a large bowl. Make sure all the fruits are fresh and ripe. Now, it's time to prepare the fruits. Start by washing all the fruits thoroughly under running water. Peel the kiwi and mango, then slice them into bite-sized pieces. Hull the strawberries and cut them into quarters. Add blueberries and grapes directly to the bowl as they are. The vibrant colors and textures of these fruits are simply irresistible. Next, add all the cut fruits into a large bowl. Gently mix them together to combine. For an extra touch of flavor and to prevent browning, squeeze a bit of lemon juice over the salad and give it another gentle toss. Want to elevate your fruit salad even more? Consider adding some optional add-ins like fresh mint leaves, a drizzle of honey, or a sprinkle of chia seeds for added flavor and nutrition. Finally, let's make it look as good as it tastes. Serve the fruit salad in individual bowls or a large serving dish. Garnish with a sprig of mint or a few whole berries to make it visually appealing. Now you're all set. A quick and easy healthy snack, ready in minutes. Enjoy the freshness and vibrant flavors of your homemade fruit salad.